Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Coreldraw and a working document, so changes apply immediately. Once done, navigate to Window, then Workspace, and choose Customize to enter UI editing mode. Make sure the menu bar is visible in view. If hidden, toggle it on. You're enabling direct access to menu items so you can rearrange or restore commands. This first step places you where Coreldraw lets you modify toolbar and menu settings without guessing, and prepares the workspace for targeted edits. Now you customize the menu contents by choosing the Commands tab. You'll see categories. Drag desired commands into the menu bar or submenu. Use separators for logical groups. Make deliberate choices. Keep common tools near the left for faster access. If you need consistency across machines, use import/export to share menu layouts or reset to revert. Take time to test each added command so you know why it's placed where it is and avoid clutter that slows your workflow. Finish by saving your workspace. Go to Window, Workspace, then save to store the new menu bar layout. You should restart Coreldraw and test menus to ensure changes persist across sessions. If something goes wrong, menus missing or commands not functioning, first try reset or re-import your saved workspace file. Also check that you didn't accidentally save to a different profile. This troubleshooting step resolves most issues and gets you back to a predictable, efficient menu setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.